Okay, we're going to do a little walk around my Camaro. It's a 2012 Camaro SS. You can see it's got the BBK long tube headers. It's got the HPS silicone hoses. I did all the hydro dipping. I used Dip Ape products. And look at it. It's got the retro front grille, the hideaway headlight covers. So you got custom engraved SS discs. Those are made by Alien Brakes out of California. Got the Havoc rear spoiler, the Havoc rear diffuser, the Flowmaster American Thunder exhaust. And I cut out some diamond plate aluminum for the floors. The inside door